Hello. Now let us discuss on range function before going to control statements like break, continue, and pass. We can complete that after this session because there is an interrelation with range function. So range function. So range function is used to generate a sequence of values starting from 0 by default. So syntax for it is range start stop step size. So if you want to print a set of values, there will be a start, stop, and step size. The starting position by default will be 0 and stop is ending position. The range of integer stops one element prior to stop. If stop is I, then it will be stop at exact I minus 1. For example, if you are giving a range of I, then it will stop I 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it will print the element till 4. Step size increments by step size increments the step size. It will be the common interval between the stop and stop. If we do not mention any of the thing, by default it will be 1. Now range of 5. If it is range of 5, we can print the elements from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if range of 1, 5, 2, then we can print, we are able to print the elements 1 to 3. If range is minus 1 to minus 5, so its value is minus 1 to minus 3. So try to execute this range function in our code editor. Range function dot views. Okay. So I will just print directly. Print range of 5. So we'll try to follow the same cases which I have done in slide. So if I print range of 0 to 5, I'm getting the elements, I'm getting a range as 0 to 5. Now for I in range of 5, print I. Now we could able to access its element. So if I give a print range of 5, so it will give an range start and stop value. In order to access its element, I can make use of for loop. So that's why I said you before. So before going to control statements, it's a need to cover a range function. So for I in range of 5, if you print the if you want to get the elements of range of 5, then you can make use of for loop. So for I in range of 5 means for I is 0 in range of 5, the first value will be printed as 0, then again it will be incremented, and 1 in range of 5 yes, and it will be printed as 1, and 2 in range of 5, so again print I, so 2 will be printed, and 3, 4, so on. So since fifth element won't be printed because it will be printed prior to last element, that is I minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. So that's all. Now let us print the elements. So this is case 1 and this is case 2. One comma 5 comma 2. If I print this, now you could able to get the elements 1, 9, 3. So here you could able to get, right? So this is 1, 9, 3. That's what I have shown here. Now let us deal with case 3. For I in range of minus 1 to minus 5 with step size of minus 2, then if I print this, you will get the values as minus 1 and minus 3. So that is the properties or functionalities of range function. So this range function plays a major role for iterative loops for like for loop. So it will be commonly used there, and I will try to explain the control statements with the help of range functions only. So I thought this will be the important concept should be discussed as of now. So I just involved this in the iterative loops itself. So that's all for the day. Thank you.